What really makes a long-range hunting rifle great in the real world, accuracy on paper, is easy, but accuracy when your heart rate is up, the wind is shifting, and the shot actually matters is a different game entirely. Do you prioritize lightweight carry or absolute stability? Do you want modularity, future upgrades, or a rifle that is perfect, straight out of the box? Today we cut through marketing noise and internet myths to rank the 12 best long-range hunting rifles based on real-world performance, overall power, reliability, and the rifles hunters actually love and trust in the field. This is Alpha Gunreview, and this list is built for results, not hype. Number 12. Mauser M18. The Mauser M18 earns its place on this list as one of the most honest rifles in modern hunting, delivering German engineering stripped down to pure function with no distractions or gimmicks. Chambered commonly in .308 Winchester with options like 6.5 Creedmoor and 30-06, the M18 uses a cold hammer, forged 22-inch barrel that consistently delivers sub-mo accuracy with quality ammunition. The polymer stock keeps weight around 6.4 pounds unloaded, making it easy to carry all day while maintaining enough mass for stable shooting. The 3-lug bolt with 60-degree throw cycles smoothly and locks up solidly, while the single-stage trigger breaks cleanly, around 3.5 pounds. Overall length measures roughly 41.7 inches, and the detachable box magazine holds 5 rounds. Street price averages around $620, which makes this rifle extremely popular among budget-conscious hunters who still demand heritage and reliability. The Mauser M18 is not flashy, but its growing fan base appreciates a rifle that simply works every time. Number 11. CVA Cascade. The CVA Cascade has quietly become one of the most recommended entry to mid-level hunting rifles thanks to its smart feature set and aggressive pricing. Typically chambered in .308 Winchester, 6.5 Creedmoor, and several popular hunting calibers, the Cascade features a 22 to 24-inch barrel, depending on configuration, with standard 5/8x24 threading for suppressors or brakes. Weight comes in around 7 pounds, making it well balanced for both hiking and prone shooting. The 70-degree bolt throw feels smooth and fast, while the detachable magazine system keeps reloads practical. The trigger is compatible with Remington 700 pattern aftermarket options and usually breaks between 3.5 and 4. Accuracy commonly sits around 1 MOA or better. Price hovers near $690, and popularity continues to rise among hunters who want dependable performance without paying for branding. Number 10. Mossberg Patriot. The Mossberg Patriot remains a favorite among American hunters, especially in heavier hunting calibers like 450 Bushmaster, where terminal performance matters more than flat trajectory. This rifle features a 20-inch fluted barrel with recessed crown and optional muzzle threading depending on configuration. Overall length is approximately 40.25 inches and unloaded weight is about 6.5 pounds, making it quick to shoulder in dense terrain. Mossberg's LBA adjustable trigger allows pull weights between 2 and 7 pounds, which is rare at this price point. Magazine capacity is typically 4+1, and the synthetic stock is built to handle harsh weather conditions. Accuracy averages around 1 to 1.5 MOA, which is more than adequate for its intended role, with prices starting near $430. The Patriot remains extremely popular for hunters who value power, simplicity, and affordability. Number 9. Savage Model 110. Savage earned its reputation by delivering accuracy first, and the Model 110 continues that legacy with hunter-focused refinements, often sold as a complete package with a factory-mounted Vortex Crossfire, the second 3 to 9x40 scope. The Model 110 offers tremendous value right out of the box, Common chamberings include 223, Remington, 308, Winchester, and 6.5 Creedmoor with a 20-inch barrel and 1 in 9 or 1 in 10 twist depending on caliber. The adjustable AccuTrigger allows safe tuning from roughly 2.5 to 6 pounds, while the stock includes adjustable length of pull from 12.75 to 13.75 inches. Weight sits near 7.7 pounds, unloaded, and accuracy regularly meets or beats 1 MOA. Pricing averages around $670, making it one of the most loved rifles among new and experienced hunters alike. Number 8. Ruger American Gen 2. The Ruger American Gen 2 refines one of the most popular hunting rifle platforms ever produced, with improved ergonomics materials and recoil management. Chambered in popular long-range options like 308 Winchester and 6.5 Creedmoor, the Gen 2 features a medium contour, cold, hammer-forged barrel with deep spiral fluting and a factory-installed muzzle brake. The 3-lug bolt uses a 70-degree throw, providing excellent scope clearance, while the Marksman adjustable trigger breaks cleanly between 3 and 5 pounds. Weight is approximately 7.3 pounds, and overall length measures around 42 inches. The modular stock system allows length of pull adjustment from 12 to 13.75 inches. Street price averages $730, and the Ruger American Gen 2 remains one of the most widely recommended rifles due to its balance of price performance and brand trust. Number 7. Tikka T3X Lite. The Tikka T3X Lite has built a cult following among serious hunters who prioritize accuracy and lightweight handling above all else. Weighing just 6.4 pounds unloaded, this rifle is commonly chambered in 308 Winchester with a 22.4-inch stainless steel barrel and a 1 in 10 twist. The smooth 2-lug bolt cycles effortlessly, and the single-stage trigger breaks cleanly around 2 to 4 pounds depending on adjustment. The synthetic stock offers modular upgrades, including adjustable cheek risers and length of pull options. Accuracy is consistently sub-MOA, straight out of the box, and reliability in harsh weather is legendary. Pricing averages around $1,500, and the Tikka remains one of the most trusted rifles among experienced backcountry hunters worldwide. Number 6. Bergara HMR Pro. The Bergara HMR Pro bridges the gap between hunting rifle and precision platform, delivering exceptional accuracy with field-ready durability chambered, commonly in 308 Winchester. The rifle uses a 20-inch 416 stainless steel barrel with a 1 in 10 twist and Bergara's Premier Series finishing process. The 2-lug bolt with floating bolt head ensures consistent lockup and smooth feeding from AICS pattern magazines. Weight sits around 9.3 pounds, which helps manage recoil and maintain stability for longer shots. The trigger typically breaks around 3 pounds, and overall length is roughly 40 inches, with prices near $1,580. The HMR Pro is extremely popular among hunters who also shoot long-range recreationally or competitively. Number 5. Seekins Precision Havoc 3. The Seekins Precision Havoc PH3 is built for hunters who demand modularity, speed, and precision in one platform, featuring a 3-lug bolt with a 60-degree throw. The PH3 cycles extremely fast and locks up consistently. The quick change barrel system allows caliber swaps without a gunsmith, while the carbon composite stock includes an adjustable cheek rest and vertical grip ergonomics. Chambered often in 308 Winchester with a compact 16-inch barrel and 1 in 11.25 twist. This rifle is ideal for suppressed hunting. Weight averages around 8.5 pounds, and the Trigger Tech trigger adjusts from 2 to 5 pounds. pricing sits near $1,850, and popularity continues to grow among advanced users who value flexibility and performance. Number 4. SIG Sauer Cross. The SIG Sauer Cross redefined what a modern hunting rifle could be by blending military-influenced design with true field practicality. Chambered commonly in .308, Winchester the Cross features a 16-inch stainless steel barrel with 1 in 10 twist and standard 5 8x24 threading. The folding adjustable stock reduces overall length to just over 26 inches when folded, while weight remains a remarkable 6.6 pounds. The two-stage match trigger breaks between 2.5 and 4 pounds, and the one-piece receiver enhances rigidity and accuracy. The rifle feeds from AICS magazines and includes a 20 MOA top rail with pricing around $1,870. The SIG Cross is extremely popular among hunters who travel hunt or run suppressed setups. Number 3. Sakos 20. The Sakos 20 represents a true hybrid rifle built to adapt to multiple hunting roles without compromise, chambered in powerful options like .300 Winchester Magnum. The S20 uses a 24-inch barrel with a 1 in 10 twist, delivering excellent long-range ballistics. The modular stock system allows tool-less adjustment of cheek height and length of pull while supporting both right and left-handed shooters. Weight comes in around 8.2 pounds, and magazine capacity is typically 3 rounds. The single-stage trigger breaks cleanly around 3 pounds, and overall build quality reflects finish precision. Pricing averages $2,700, and the S20 is widely respected among serious hunters who demand versatility and long-term value. Number 2. Springfield Armory Model 2020 Waypoint. The Springfield Armory Model 2020 Waypoint combines modern materials with classic hunting ergonomics to deliver elite-level performance in a lightweight package, chambered in .270 Winchester. This rifle features a 24-inch carbon fiber wrapped barrel with a 1 in 10 twist and a removable radial muzzle brake. Weight is approximately 7.3 pounds, and the carbon fiber stock offers exceptional rigidity without excess mass. The TriggerTech adjustable trigger breaks between 2.5 and 5 pounds, while accuracy guarantees approach 3/4 MOA with quality ammunition. Pricing sits around $2,400, and popularity has surged among hunters who want premium performance without stepping into full competition rifle weight. Number 1. Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro. The Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro earns the top spot due to its unmatched combination of precision, durability, and user confidence. Chambered in 6.5, Creedmoor the rifle features an 18-inch stainless steel barrel with a 1 in 8 twist, optimized for long-range performance. The 3-lug bolt with 60-degree throw cycles smoothly, while the Timney Elite Hunter trigger breaks cleanly around 2.5 pounds. The chassis system offers tool-free adjustments for length of pull and cheek height, and feeds from AICS pattern magazines. Weight is approximately 11.7 pounds, which delivers incredible stability for long shots. Pricing starts near $2,900, and the Delta 5 Pro is one of the most trusted rifles among shooters who demand repeatable accuracy under real pressure. Now the question goes back to you. Which rifle on this list fits your hunting style, your terrain, and your expectations? Do you value lightweight, carry, modularity, raw, precision, or proven reliability? Drop your pick in the comments and explain why. If this breakdown helped you make a smarter decision, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because Alpha Gun Review is just getting started.